Okay, hello guys. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're alright. Thanks for time given to me. My name is Monica Susanti Minur. I come from Nursing 2028. Okay, I will not reading the text and the topic education patents about the teen medication, the potential and limited of breathing drug information. Okay, drug information, the label and insert is I measure sure of knowledge go for patient as I think about the risks and brief of drug and minister dream safely. Yet this information is often indication in the complete in difficult for patient to needs and understand will reference. The numerous sources of written patients drug information, the regulation that govern their content and format, and the lack of operation in the bronze and the history that led to his system. We understand that operation and standards are needed so that written drug information can serve as consent and organization system to education patients. To make drug for the about using medication and to take them safely and appropriately patients must have a less advice understanding about the risks and benefits of their prescribed drugs and how to administer them range safety problems associated with completely prescribed and aggressive and devastating medication such as the took in the bottles and antidepressants. Have understand others about the importance of considering medication risks in its 2006 a report rating medication errors the Institute of the Medicine highlighted the pervasive problem of poor medication safety. Ideally, patients should receive counseling about risks, benefits, and safe administration of medication from their physician and paramedics. Survey education: the most patients prefer to receive information from their patients as learn intermediates. However, there is constant bell evidence that should caution occur infrequently and are often quite limited. A random study followed additive office visit and found major shortfalls in the quickly information community to patients about their prescribed medicine plans, explain adverse effects and duration of therapy in only about a third of the question and from patients with 2000 for us in only 5 to 5% of the sequence communicated with patients is a loss in the quant and result many potentially of written information either on labels or in packing insert. Course of written patients drug information containing labels and theme levels. Patients have several sources of written information about prescription drugs. The container label provides by drug information such as the drug name, dash, interaction, permits, and patient's name. The content allows something includes exile tricks to communicate additional warnings and administrative dictations supplement the life of the company. Prescription available for to us consumer medication information. The have more survey are that the container label and are used to communicate additional information about medication, directus, risks, and benefits. Pasgi insert. Some drugs are dispensed with pack insert. Document approved by the Food and Drug Administration that contains scientific information about harkness, hair coding names, molecule structure, indication risks, and benefits. The speed rex formatting cans to spell readily. This document use technical laws amid pitch about is frequently developed to patients with single dose containers picked by manufacturers. Okay, I will explain to us imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is used to give interactive three are kind of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence positive and imperative sentence the negative. Okay, the next example imperative positive. Okay, I will explain in positive imperative. 1. Please take a medication 3 times a day. 2. Please drink medication after eating. 3. Please open your mouth. 4. Please wash your hand before eating. 5. Please take the medication according to the doctor please the direction. 6. Please come to hospital from control the right month. Okay, the next I will explain negative imperative. 1. Don't smoking in the hospital area. 2. Do not take medication more than 3 times a day. 3. Don't a lot of activity because you have not be fully recommend. 4. Do not take the medication in case of infection. Okay, the 3 I will translate the following sentence into cognitive English. 1. Minumlah obat secara teratur. Take medication regularly. 2. Jangan mengonsumsi banyak garam. Don't consume a lot of the salt. 3. Jangan membuka matamu. Don't open your eyes. 4. Jangan minum minuman beralkohol. Don't not drink alcohol before. 5. Pergilah ke klinik Dr. Ronald sekarang. Go to Dr. Ronald clinic now. Okay, thanks for time.